Hello, my name is Bonager and I have Allison Crouse here to talk about 3D printing today. What is 3D printing? 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing. It is the laying down of successive layers of material to create the object. It allows for the making of 3D models from a digital file that is created on a computer. 3D printing is now becoming more affordable for the individual user, and it's not more business orientated as it used to be, and there is now research and development that is looking into 4D printing. And on the screen now we have a more expensive model of a 3D printer. As you can see, it's got the city built out of layers, which my colleague Allison will talk about here in a minute.
Alright, so now we'll go over the 3D printing process. The process as a whole can be broken down into 3 major steps, but the first step is going to be to create your design on the computer. You can use that using different 3D printing software such as CAD. Examples of software options besides CAD are Cura, Craftware, 3D Slash, and Tinkercad. Those couple are all examples of beginning software for people who are just getting into 3D printing. You can find them for free online and download them to your computer, but you can also find intermediate and advanced software as well. Sometimes they might be a little bit more of a cost, sometimes you can find a free one. Once you download your software, you're going to need to create your image on that. So after you prepare your image or design on your computer, on your 3D software, you'll have to slice your image so you can get it ready to be printed. And slicing is dividing the 3D model into hundreds or thousands of layers so that it can be printed one at a time. Kind of like the photo that Brandon was showing you earlier. Each layer of that building was one piece of plastic at a time. And so the final step after you've sliced your design on your software, you'll have to feed that design to the 3D printer, and that 3D printer will print it out layer by layer. And then there's 3 major printing methods. The first one, the most common, is SLS, which is selective laser sintering, and that's taking tiny particles of plastic and fusing them together by heat. The second one is fused deposition modeling, FDM, and that is the same thing, but it's taking thermoplastic to an almost liquid state and putting the beads together instead of doing thin strings of plastic. And the third one is stereolithography, which is SLA. This isn't as common as the other ones because it takes a lot more technology, and it is a UV laser using a hardening photoresin to create the object, and that is also done layer by layer. And then if you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to send us an email. Thank you.